Good morning. Have I ever told you that I've put like a water sensor in my shower? So whenever the sensor detects water, that I'm getting a shower, the towel warmer actually gets all warmed up. So whenever I'm getting a shower, automatically via HomeKit, my towels are all warm. It's so cozy. Today is actually a pretty busy day. Got a lot of things to do today, but what's most exciting is that I've actually left a lot of packages to unbox. I think what's inside the big box is probably what you're most excited to see. I'll show you what it is. We'll unbox it later. For Black Friday, I decided to get the new MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M1 Pro. So yeah, we'll unbox it later. Okay, so I always love adding like new things to the smart home that just makes people go wow whenever guests or friends or family actually go in the Lemon Home. So here's my idea, right? I've got a bunch of like vinyls, Ariana Grande, I've got Michael Jackson and a bunch of people, right? I've picked up these things, these NFC tags, right? So what you can basically do with this is hide it right here, put it in the back, and actually set this up so whenever somebody actually passes through this, the My Fresh Lemonade playlist will pop up. Whenever somebody plays it through here, Michael Jackson will pop up, and anybody can grab their phone and it will actually play music throughout the HomePods of my house. It sounds cool, it looks cool, so why the heck not? And I haven't seen anybody doing this on social media, so I feel like, you know, why is nobody doing this? It's like the best idea in the world. All right, so here's how I'm gonna do it. I'm first gonna pick up my vinyl of choice, then open up the Siri Shortcuts app, tap on plus, create personal automation, NFC, then scan an NFC. I've got this one right here. Put it on the top of your phone. Tap next, add action, and then we're gonna go to apps and then tap on the home app, then control my home, and then set a specific scene and accessory. So we're gonna want to do is select my TV HomePods and my kitchen HomePods. Tap on next. Then we're gonna say play specific audio, choose audio, and then we're gonna tap on Harry Styles. And we can do like Harry Styles Essentials, for example, on Apple Music. So the best thing about these tags is that they're actually adhesive, right? So that means that I can literally hide them inside of the vinyl. So now, supposedly, when I hover with my iPhone 14 Pro to this physical vinyl of Michael Jackson, it will play Michael Jackson throughout the HomePods of my house. Are you ready? Ready? It works! It works! I'm literally playing. Oh, this is amazing. What do you guys think? Like from up top here or from up top? I'm thinking here, right? I really hope this double-sided Velcro tape actually makes them stay up there. Is it straight? It looks straight. All right, it's time to hang myself up. As weird as that sounds. I love the way that this looks. I've got a problem. I'm out of like double-sided tape. I did it on all of them, but I forgot about this guy. Sweater weather and jacket weather and sunny weather. This good weather. Okay, this store is known for literally having everything, so I mean, if I don't find it here, I don't know where I'm not gonna find it. Alright, I got this guy. It was €1, $1, so I highly doubt this will work, but I bought it just in case. I'll check one more place just in case they actually have the one that I want. Alright, look at the name of this store, Totimes, which if you actually translate it, it's everything and more. Let's see if that's true. Perfecto. Alright, well, their slogan is true. I found what I needed. I'm a happy person right now. You know, the cool thing about adding Velcro tape is that whenever you want to buy like a new album cover or switch it out, you can do it with ease. At the end of the day, this is just Velcro, right? Okay, and after all of this mess, the album corner of the house, HomeKit series shortcuts enabled, is finally done. Yes!
I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas slide. Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war. Tell that nigga he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, now niggas doing dope lines. Don't run into the cops, that's a big exercise. Don't run into the cops, that's the motto.
Okay, as you guys can see, I mean, this is probably the first time that I've ever shown you the studio. Like, it's pretty much done. It's not done yet. I still need to treat the audio. As you guys can see, there's still quite a lot of echo. And I'm also setting up proper video lighting. Like up top, there's gonna be like rails. Like this is the plan right here. I'm super excited about that. I'm really liking the way that the studio looks. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox the MacBook, shall we? Yeah, I mean, look. This, the iMac, the yellow iMac is what I always use, and it's probably what I will continue to be using. But since I'm doing something that I can't say yet, I need something portable that I can work anywhere in the world. That's another hint. All right, this is the new MacBook Pro, M1 Pro 14-inch, 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabyte SSD. This is nice. Oh yeah. Also, I got unboxed this. You guys probably know what this is. I've been waiting for this for literally the longest time.
The main language. Press the return key.
But guess what? I sent my GoPro with a battery and they returned it without a battery. So I still can't use my GoPro, but they sent me a new GoPro. Now we gotta get to work. Just exported a quick wristcam campaign. We shot this yesterday. I'm actually pretty proud at the way that it came out. Look at this.
As I saw, but my breath through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I'm something in debit. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling.
Good. Before you guys ask me for like a proper studio tour, I really do want to show you everything, and there's so many things that are in the studio. For example, something that I haven't shown you is this. What's inside of here? Here's a tiny sneak peek though. Vegetable broth, coconut milk. All right, meat and all the lentils.
Can we try?
I think we should put on some music first.
Ooh.
Just by a tap.
3, 2, 1.
Let's clavada. Setting up the new MacBook. Feels good. Feels good to set up a new MacBook. Alright, so what's inside here is actually has brought some debate with me and Chenya. I bought something, she doesn't like it, I like it, that's why I bought it. She doesn't want to put it at the home, I want to put it at the home. I saw a TikTok. This TikTok right here. I think this is absolutely awesome, and I feel like it's like a really like smart soap dispenser. Jenny is like, why do we need a smart soap dispenser? And I'm like, she also bought me one that's not smart. She still hasn't given it to me. Long story short, I want to put this in my bathroom. Nikias says that, you know, the apartment is pretty classy right now, and putting this is just gonna ruin everything. You guys know what Chenya did? So every single day of December, I actually have a new present for me that Chenya bought.
We don't have the Christmas tree yet, so
We have it right here. Look.
So we have the presents here.
These are all the Christmas presents. Every single day I have to open. All right, what do you think? Look at this.
Feel. I hate it. What is this color?
You've hyped me a lot. Like, I really like that, so. I like it. I'm not saying I don't, I like it a lot.
It's classy.
Guys, what do you guys think? This, like the HomeKit-y, smart homey,
Nope.
soapy dispensary.
3 colors, plastic. Nope.
No, I like
Not classy. This is more aesthetic and more beautiful.
See, this looks cool. It looks like futuristic, and then you just do bzzz.
It doesn't. So nice. So clean.
Also, I forgot to mention, you charge it via USB-C. Okay, meetings are done. We wanted to go see the Christmas lights, which are actually right there. Who's calling me? La Joa. Sí, el boleado y una cosa. Alright, look at this. We're inside of the Christmas tree. Isn't it crazy? Christmas is in like, what, 20 days?